I wanted to share today something really interesting and really very simple but very, very important. Have you seen yourself some days feeling very excited and very happy, and some days feeling very low, sad, stressed out, worried, etc., etc.? So why do you think that happens? Why do you think that your energy suddenly drips down and you feel sad, anxiety, and all these things? I'm sure you must be thinking that, well, this situation happened in my life, that's why I'm sad. That person said something to me, that's why I'm sad. Fine, yes, there are situations and things always happening around us which we cannot control. And by the way, this is no lecture. There are things that we cannot control, right? How can you control somebody else's behavior? Or how can you control somebody else's reaction to you? Or what you think, what you say, what you do, etc., etc. But there is something that you can do. That is your own state. When I say your own state, it means your emotional and mental state, which is dependent on your physical state. Yes. I know that we have been talking about mindset, and you listen about mindset everywhere, every place you just hear about mindset. Yes, mindset is really, really important, and in fact at most important. But there is something known as your physiology. Let me share with you an example. You can do it right now, okay? Or anytime if you're feeling sad or upset or depressed, anything, you can just test yourself. Because if you know me, then you know it well that I don't speak anything just out of theory. I speak based out of experiential learning, because I believe 100% in experiential learning. Something which you experience yourself, then only you can preach others. So next time when you feel sad, depressed, upset, whatever it is, always do this. Change your physical state then and there. That means, let's say if you are sitting, if you are feeling sad, then just stand up, start jumping. It might sound crazy, but yes, just do it and see. If you are feeling sad, or if you are feeling restless, anxious, okay, stressed out, anything, start dancing. Just switch on a music, start dancing, start jumping. Do anything but change your physical state instantly. And some of you might be thinking, well, if I'm crying, how can I change? How can I dance? You don't have to think about it. Just force yourself a little bit and start doing it. Once you do that, then you come back and tell me what is that has changed your emotional state as well. That change in the physical state, whether you are jumping, dancing, running, what has done it to your emotional state at that point of time? Do it and see it for yourself. So yes, you have to push yourself a little bit at the beginning, just like a snowball, right? At the beginning you just have to roll it manually, but if you just let it loose, then it just picks up the pace and becomes bigger and bigger. So at the beginning you have to force yourself a little bit, but do it yourself and see. Because your physiology is something like this. Your emotion depends on your motion. That means it depends on your physiology. Think about it and do it yourself and see it.